Hey guys, welcome back. Appreciate you stopping today. Got the link out of that CR250. Got the bearings somewhat apart. These are just holding them on. The big end, I was able to, all the needles came out and I was able to service that bearing and get fresh grease in there. This narrow end, I was not able to get the needles out. So I'm going to show you what I did on this other one and showed you what I tried to do on this other one with this back link, because I was able to get the back link needles out of there. I've got everything all cleaned up. This is all back together. It's going to be this is kind of like a bushing. I'm just going to have to service it like once a year. I'm not racing the Baja 1000. I'm not jumping 100 feet, you know, so it should do well. It's going to be way better than it was. And I've got this ball joint all put back together, so that link is ready to go. But let me show you what I got going on here. These are all the needles soaking in some Marvel Mystery Oil, and this is the link. So I'm gonna pile a bunch of grease into the hole and lay those needles in there. So first things first, I have to get the needles out of the oil, so drain them as much as I can, and I'm just gonna clean them up, you know, because they did take on some foreign material. And when I say foreign material, I mean rust and corrosion. But it's amazing what that Marvel Mystery Oil will do. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, that's all that was in there was these pins, and it just milkied that oil right up. Okay, that's all of them. And this is what I did with the last ones, but I didn't even soak the last ones in Marvel. I just kind of cleaned them up the best I could, and then I'm like, why didn't I do this? Getting all that shit off of them. Whoa, don't lose them. Mushman. It's going to be worlds difference than it was when those pins, i.e. these guys that are supposed to be the inner race of a bearing, when them are froze and it's just like trying to pivot on the bolt, no bueno. No bueno. So yeah. I counted them and I know there's exactly this many there, so. Okay, and they feel really smooth compared to the way they used to, and hopefully that Marvel Mystery Oil is down in there. So let's see. Pinky hole. Get a nice dollop down in there. And I figure the more schmoo I put in there, A, the more it'll hold them needles, and D, the less water will get in. You know what I'm saying? I like the way that feels on that inner. Oh yeah, disgusting. And then the tedious process of loading them guys in. Give next to each other so that when I make it back around again, you know what I'm saying? I think I already got 4 or 5 in there. Ooh. Don't mind if I do. That one slid right in there. Yeah, now I got the technique going. I'm almost back to the grease spot. I only got 2. Well, I'm not going to count them. I mean, ooh, I can see my other side. You do at any spot if there's like a little pie piece where you can wedge one in there. Compass on the other end here. One apart, but I was afraid that if I did get it broke apart, I would never be able to get it put back together again. I'm just going to slide it. Let me make sure that this is clean. And I'm debating I'm probably going to have to do that swing arm pivot next. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Butter. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but we'll be in business. She is, boys. Okay, those are ready to go back on as soon as I get that shock back.